everyone. As you can see, we have a box. It is a Hasbro box. It's got the Foxtrot 28045 Sierra 00 on the front. If you guys saw the description, obviously you know what this is. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unbox it. This is how Amazon shipped it to me. It was in this box and it was shipped via Amazon, so hopefully he's okay. So let's go ahead and unbox it. First step here, and then we can actually see what we've got. Do that there. All right, good, not too shabby. All right, so as you can see, we do have Greedo here. This is the 50th anniversary of Lucasfilm edition. It is a Amazon exclusive, and it's got like the throwback look, obviously. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the outside of this package here. We'll go ahead and unbox Greedo here, and then we'll take a look at his articulation, take some pictures, come back, talk about some of the things that we liked and or did not like about the figure. So as you can see, we definitely have Greedo here. Kind of wish I would have gotten more. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description for Amazon. I don't know if you'll be able to get them anymore. Probably not. But you might be able to see them on like an Amazon warehouse deal or something like that as people get them and they're like, that's just not for me. And so maybe they return them. So maybe you'll be able to get them on that way. I don't know. Anyway, so as you can see, we've got the throwback packaging, which is kind of cool. On the back here, we got the picture here with Greedo and Han there, and it says, commemorate the first 50 years of Lucasfilm with figures inspired by the original Star Wars trilogy. So, pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and take them off the card back there. I know, I'm actually taking them out of here. Some people don't do that, but I actually like to display them outside the package, so that's why I do that. So we got Greedo up there. So we've got Greedo himself, and then we have his blaster right here. All right, so let's take a look at his blaster first. Yeah, there's nothing special about it. You know, it being a throwback, doesn't surprise me that they didn't do anything special about it. It is different than a lot of the other blasters that we've got. But then, you know, we've got the actual figure himself here. Head all the way down and all the way up. Whew. These little spike things feel really interesting. Wow, really interesting. It's unlike a lot of the other Black Series figures. Head does do a full 360, as you would expect, but not a whole lot of head movement. There's a little bit of back and forth. Arms, wow, they will go. Unlike pretty much any other figure I've ever seen from Hasbro, at least in the Black Series line. No movement at the upper shoulder. You do have it at the elbow there. This will be a left-right. You can see his fingers here. Super long. This one here is also a left-right. Let's take a look at the elbow. I mean, it's okay. So obviously, this hand we have the fingers that are curved in to hold the blaster. I do like the fact that Hasbro left the holster not attached to Greedo here, so you can actually get some movement. Not a whole lot of movement at the torso though, which I was kind of surprised about. And you can see that he does have a regular belt underneath the holster belt. I like the fact that we do have the silver embellishments there. At the legs, you do get the normal movement, and it is single joint there. And then as far as the legs, they're pretty standard from there. All right, so what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and take some pictures here like we typically do. And that way what we can do is possibly learn some more about the figure. And if you have any questions while we're doing that, make sure that you ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. So let's take some pictures. All right, everyone. So hope that was a good look at Greedo for you. It definitely was for me. I did want to say that I did include the backdrop there for Tatooine. I thought that was a good look for Greedo here. And I also had the Throwback Jawa, which is from the same line as this Greedo as well, also an Amazon exclusive. I will leave links to both of those videos in the description, and you might see them up in this area here along the video at some points as well. Just thought it was good to include those. That way you can have a better look at what Greedo looks like as far as scale and whatnot. I did quickly look on Amazon. The Throwback Jawa is still available at normal price, which is awesome. I actually really like the figure. Definitely check out that video. The Greedo, however, is not. He's a little expensive. There was one other figure in this line, which was Kenobi. I wasn't a fan of him. I don't know. I liked the throwback-ish aspects of it, but I did not like the vinyl. It was all over for the cape and whatnot. So that's why I didn't pick him up. But hey, you might be interested in him. He is not normal price, but he's not as expensive as Greedo. But anyways, back to Greedo, which is why we're all here. I think he was an awesome throwback figure. I liked the throwback colors on him. Like I said, I didn't like it on Kenobi, but I liked it on him. So he's going to make a great addition to the collection on the shelf. Flexibility wise, he's not all there. I'm not gonna lie. I wish his head could do more movements, but you know what? He's gonna stay on the shelf, so that's really all that matters. So anyways, if you have any questions about the figure himself, make sure you ask down below, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. The other thing I want to say, I think the head on him is amazing. I mean, that's why you got this figure. It was not for his articulation or anything like that, but the head movement, the fact that, you know, we can debate the who shot first all day long. We're not going to do that on this channel, but anyways, you could, and you know, definitely have a setup with Han. So yeah, so like I said, if you have any questions, ask down below. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might be interested in, such as Star Wars and Star Wars the Black Series, obviously, but we also do other things as well, like going to theme parks, home automation, electronics, and things like that. And these are things that I like as a professional geek, and hopefully you do as well. So with that, have a great day.